What causes a gritty sandpaper feeling in a hot tub or spa? First, we will go over the hot tub water chemistry, and at the end of this video, we'll show you the easiest way of clearing this all up. Make sure not to skip over anything in this video and watch right to the end to understand everything. A gritty rough feeling, which seems like the surface of your hot tub has sand on it or is like sandpaper, is caused by an excess buildup of calcium in your hot tub water. This is actually a very common problem in hot tubs, so no, you are not alone when dealing with this. There are a few different things pertaining to your hot tub water chemistry that can cause this kind of hot tub scale. First is your pH. pH in your spa should be maintained at 7.2 to 7.6 parts per million. Warm water mixed with high hot tub pH can cause calcium to build up and settle on the surface of your spa. When the pH is high, it allows the minerals in the water to fall out of solution, and that is when the scale forms on the surfaces of your spa. Calcium hardness in your water can also contribute to this type of hot tub scale. Often the calcium comes from initially filling the tub with a water source that is high in calcium. Alkalinity is the third factor of water chemistry that can cause this type of hot tub scale. Total alkalinity is a measure of buffers in your water that help control your pH levels. High alkalinity will normally result in high pH, which can cause scale to form. Total alkalinity levels should be maintained between 80 to 120 parts per million. It all depends on the type of hot tub surface or shell you have. As these are the main causes of hot tub scale, it is important that you have a water test kit that will test for these factors and that you strive to maintain balanced water chemistry. This is why we always recommend a Taylor test kit. Now the big question: how do I fix it? There are 3 ways you can deal with this problem. Number 1. Adjust your hot tub chemicals to get the correct levels of pH and alkalinity. Using a water test kit, check the water every 4 hours and adjust as needed to get pH levels in at correct level of 7.2 to 7.6 ppm. Having the correct chemical levels should help the scale loosen up and begin to dissipate. Scrub the spa surface to try and loosen the scale. If the scale is fairly new, it may simply brush off, but for harder, firmly deposited scale, you may need to drain the hot tub and use a vinegar solution to remove the scale buildup on your surface. We do not recommend using household cleaners, as these products could scratch the hot tub surface or cause water chemistry issues and foaming. Number 2. Add a stain and scale preventer to the hot tub water every week to help avoid further hot tub scale buildup. We will link what we use for our customers' hot tubs and spas down in the video description. The trick to maintaining a clear and healthy hot tub or spa is to constantly maintain proper water chemistry. Test your water using a Taylor test kit and make adjustments when it is needed. Number 3. If you drained your hot tub because of the buildup of scale, refill it and follow this video. We will show you step by step on how to remove the calcium buildup on your hot tub or spa surface. There is also an added bonus video at the very end. You don't want to miss the video at the end. Step 1. Buy yourself 5 jugs at 4 liters each of vinegar. Step 2. Turn on all your hot tub pumps on high speed. Make sure all jets are open and that the diverters are halfway. You want to have water flowing through all the hot tub pumps and plumbing. Step 3. If your hot tub filters are coated with the calcium buildup, remove the filters and leave them floating around in your hot tub. Make sure to do a deep clean of the filters before putting them back into the hot tub. Step 4. Pour the 4 jugs of vinegar in the hot tub and run the hot tub pumps for at least 4 hours or a little longer if the calcium buildup is bad. Step 5. If the hot tub shell feels like the calcium hardness or sandpaper feel has been all dissolved, follow the next step. If not, leave it for longer. Step 6. Shut the GFCI breaker to the hot tub off. Step 7. Drain your hot tub water and clean the shell off with a hot tub and spa shell cleaner. We will also link this product in the video description below. Step 8. Refill your hot tub. If you are having calcium hardness problems, we recommend the use of a hot tub water pre-filter at the time of refilling your hot tub or spa, as it can help remove excess minerals from your water prior to it being put into the hot tub. Once your tub is refilled, balance your chemicals, making sure they are all at the recommended levels. For really bad calcium hardness buildup on a hot tub shell, we use an acid to quickly dissolve it and then quickly hose it down with water. You need to wear protective gear when using this on your hot tub as it's very dangerous. If you would like to know what we are using, please comment below. Thanks again for watching right to the end.